Hello and welcome to room 6202 on the Carnival Liberty. Now let's take a look at the room. Hold on one second. Let's see if anybody's there.
Hello!
Oh,
Come on in for a room tour of room 6202 on the beautiful Carnival Liberty. I'm Terry, and like I said, this is room 6202. It's considered an interior cabin. And as you walk in, you've got two closets on your left.
this is a closet.
And another closet, same thing. Sorry, that would be on your right. Anyway, you get the idea.
That's another closet.
Then on the other side, we have the restroom. Then take a quick peek. We've been living in here, so it's lived in a little bit. So then you'll notice, yeah, this is an interior cabin, so there is no couch, but on your little desk area over here, you do have a regular standard US plug and a European plug. We bring one of these, which has multiple different things, and then we just use that to plug in most of our stuff. Over on this little mini area is where the cooler / refrigerator is, right here. And then there's one more closet right here. And you'll notice no couch. We have it. Okay, it's Tom's birthday today, so our room steward did this. Isn't that wonderful? And this is set up with a king, what they consider a king bed.
Who's Tom?
This is Tom from TNT's Adventures to Sea.
No, this is Terry from
Well, this
TNT.
is Terry, but this is Tom on the other side of the
Oh.
camera. So then you'll notice one thing I wanted to mention is there aren't any plugs by the bed. So in this, like, it's an older ship. So then you just have the room. But the kind of cool thing about this interior room is if you come over here and you look outside, I mean,
Wow.
we didn't pay for an ocean view,
Look
but
at
we have
that.
this view here. And that is a
Holy
public deck.
DEC.
Okay. And people can walk out there, so you have to keep it close, obviously, most of the time.
But it's kind of a
wonderful.
secret deck and nobody goes there.
Nobody's ever out there, so we kind of think of it as our huge balcony. And there's like
There's a stairway down right over here
and there's
somewhere.
a bench right here. You can sit out there if you want. And
But the stairway down goes to the cruise quarters.
yes, the cruise deck.
So only when
The
we go hang
crew.
out with them at night.
So yeah, this is it. This is a brief tour of room 6202. And thank you. We're TNT's Adventures to Sea. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you around on a cruise ship.
See you around the ship. That's a saying of a friend of ours. So see ya. That's Sea Lake's journey, but don't tell them.